In this module, I'm going to share how people that are paying no income taxes have the 30% investment tax credit applied to their situation. Now remember, they're not paying taxes, so they're not going to get this money back to them. So if somebody's earning zero and they bought a $50,000 solar system, they will get a $15,000 tax credit at the IRS. It's sitting there, but they'll never actually get their hands on that money because they're not paying any income taxes. Again, it's a non-refundable tax credit, meaning you have to pay taxes to get that money back. So be very wary of people that are not paying any income taxes and tell them that they're going to get this 30% tax credit back. That leaves a black eye on our industry that creates negative Google reviews, negative press, and stops you from getting referrals from your customers. You have to understand the basics in this course in order for you to make great investment consulting decisions for the homeowner.